In this video, I'm going to be going over what is foreshadowing. So, what is foreshadowing? Foreshadowing is giving the reader or viewer hints of what is to come later in the story or movie. A lot of the time, the foreshadowing happens at the beginning of the story or movie. This foreshadowing helps develop the reader's or viewer's expectations about upcoming events. There are many different ways to show foreshadowing, from showing the actual scene in the beginning, like in Mission Impossible 3, or just giving subtle hints of a character going to die, like in the end of King Arthur, where Lancelot says if he's going to die, he wants to die fighting for what he wants to, and then you see him die at the end of the movie. So let's just dive into some of the examples of foreshadowing. The best example to show and explain foreshadowing comes from the CW Supernatural TV show, which it's my favorite and I've watched it since day one. The two foreshadowing events that I will show is when Dean Winchester tells Sam, his brother, that he's going to die on the job hunting supernatural creatures and that he wants Sam to live a long and normal life before he dies. And guess what? Spoiler alert, he dies saving kids and killing vampires. And then we get to see Sam grow old, have a family, and die. So throughout every season, Dee keeps foreshadowing how the series will end. So here's the clip of Dean saying how he's going to die in the previous seasons, and then he dies in the last episode and then goes to heaven. Super sad, guys. I bawled my eyes out.
I know how my story ends. It's at the edge of a blade or the barrel of a gun.
You knew it was always going to end like this for me.
I'll tell you what I do know, is that I'm going to die with a gun in my hand. Because that's what I have waiting for me. That's all I have waiting for me.
It's supposed to end like this, right?
You know, saving people, hunting things.
Saving people, hunting things.
The family business.
It's what we do.
No, stop. Okay, just stop.
You died on the job. No better way to go.
You really believe that?
Yeah, what, you don't?
Fly, Sam.
So as you can see, Dean Winchester pretty much gave away the ending from season 1 on the very first episode when they're hunting the lady in white. And as it goes forward, I'm going to show you this next clip of Sam Winchester getting his ending just the way Dean said that he wants Sam to have it. And that's by him growing old, having a family, and dying at an old age. So let's just jump right into the video of Dean telling Sam that he wants him to grow old.
I want you to get out. I want you to have a life. Become a man of letters, whatever. You with a wife and kids and grandkids living till you're fat and bald and chugging Viagra. That is my perfect ending. And it's the only one that I'm gonna get.
So as you can see, Dean Winchester is pretty much giving the viewers hints of what's going to come later down, since it's not a movie, it's a series, but later down the line. But again, for whoever's watched Supernatural, they can see that they do die a lot, like way more than they should, but they do die a lot, which is also foreshadowing that events will happen where Sam gets stabbed in the back, where Dean gets stabbed in the chest with the Archangel blade. So you do get to see all these things shown, at least told to you guys, foreshadowed to you guys before you actually even watch it. But of course, with foreshadowing, you got to pay attention to those clues to be able to spot them. And that's how good foreshadowing is done correctly. If you guys got a lot of great information from this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel so I can continue giving you tips and tricks for writing a successful story. So if you want to learn more about writing, click on this video here to learn more about how to write successful flashbacks. And if you want to see how to write a story plot arc, I have the playlist right here. Thanks for watching, guys, and please click one of these videos, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks, guys.